Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
Hello?
Let's start. First open Play Store and install the app called Villo. I have already installed. After installing, open this application. Tap on New Project and add one photo. Select Format 9:16. Adjust photo to full screen. Now set photo duration to 4.4 seconds. Now tap on Audio and add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now add text. Tap on Basic. Tap on this text. Double tap on text box and type H. Tap on Font. Scroll down and choose this font. Now adjust and place text. Now move 0.2 second forward and type EL. Choose same text style and font. Now place. Now move to 0.4 second and type LO. Choose same text style and font. First type L, then question mark, then enter and type O. Now adjust and place. Now tap on text layers and then tap on Until Now. Do this for all text layer. Now move to 0.7 second. Then tap on Pip. Now tap on Image and add photo. Place image at center. Now move forward to 0.8 second. Tap on Image and add another photo. Now place this image below. Now move forward to 1.0 second and add another photo. Now place. Now again move forward to 1.2 second and add another photo. Now place. Now move forward with a gap of 0.2 second and add photo. Now, at 4.0 seconds, add the first photo and place it center. Now again add the same photo at 4.2 seconds, and zoom to full screen. Now check your video. Now export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.